Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable adaptive sync for Acer Predator XB3. And to do this, we'll need to find the joystick button on the back right side of your screen, click on it and then click on it again to pop open this menu. Now we can scroll down for gaming. Inside there's a adaptive sync which you need to click on. Here we can turn it on and off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.